Hey friends, Kevin here with this rechargeable handheld vacuum I just got in from RedTiger. Because I have a lot of experience with cleaning equipment, the company did send this to me to test out, share the results with you. So let's find out together what the build quality is of this, and then we're going to test it out. So in this box will be the main vacuum, and this thing does have a little bit of weight to it. This does not feel flimsy at all. We'll remove this protective tape. You have a knob here so you can change this from suction to blowing, exhausting. That turns and locks into place really nicely. Charging port on the back. This will be our dirt container. Little button here will allow us to open this up and empty it out. And in this box will be the accessories. Little hose, a couple of other attachments. Really nice felt lined carry bag, more attachments, and a really good sized instruction manual. That has nice large print, which is always appreciated, plenty of pictures. That is moving some air. So we can install the hose, use it with attachments to get between the seats, under the seats. We can use different attachments on it. Out of the box, I can tell you the build quality of this little RedTiger vacuum is much higher than I expected it to be, and much higher than a lot of little Handvacs that I have used over the years, bought over the years. But all I really care about is how well this thing works in the real world, on a real vehicle, cleaning up messes around the house. Let's find out. So if you're looking for a hand vacuum, either for little messes around the house or something to use in your automobile, especially if you have dealt with other little things that you've tried that you were disappointed in, when you pull this out of the box, feel how this thing is made, put it to the test. I don't believe you're going to be disappointed with what this little RedTiger vacuum is able to do.